Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the best ultrasonic jewelry cleaner professional machine currently leading the market, the BYASKZIV Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. This compact device has rapidly climbed to the top spot as the #1 bestseller in its category, and we're about to find out why. Right out of the box, you'll find the ultrasonic cleaning machine itself, a watch stand accessory, and a user manual. The build quality feels solid, and it features a sleek white finish that blends well with any home setup. The tank inside is made of SUS 304 stainless steel, known for its excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring the machine lasts longer even with frequent use. Let's talk about how it works. The BYASKZIV cleaner operates at a powerful 48,000 Hz ultrasonic frequency. That's high-frequency sound wave technology designed to penetrate deep into every nook and cranny of your jewelry, eyeglasses, watch straps, dentures, and more. It creates microscopic cavitation bubbles in the water that gently and effectively remove dirt, oil, and grime without damaging delicate items. What's great here is that you only need tap water to get started. Just fill the 12 ounces stainless steel tank, place your items inside, close the lid, and you're good to go. For an even deeper clean, you can add a bit of ultrasonic cleaning solution, but it's totally optional. It offers 2 cleaning modes, a 5-minute quick clean and a 7-minute extended mode. The 5-minute cycle is perfect for lightly soiled items like daily wear eyeglasses or rings. But if you've got something that needs a more thorough wash, like a watch strap or heavily tarnished pieces, the 7-minute cycle is the way to go. One detail we appreciate is how stable and quiet the unit is. Thanks to its 4 non-slip rubber pads at the bottom, it stays put during use and produces minimal noise, making it ideal for home or even office environments. Let's look at the results. Jewelry comes out sparkling, eyeglasses crystal clear, and dentures or aligners feel fresh and polished. For anyone looking to avoid harsh scrubbing or expensive professional cleaning, this machine offers convenience with professional-grade results. Portability is another plus. With its compact footprint, the BYASKZIV cleaner is easy to store and move. Whether you want to keep it in your bathroom, on your dresser, or take it along while traveling, it fits the bill. To wrap it up, the BYASKZIV Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner delivers on its promise of efficient, gentle, and professional-grade cleaning, all from the comfort of your home. Whether you're maintaining your favorite pieces or just want a cleaner, clearer view through your glasses, this product is a smart investment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or have questions about the product, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest and in-depth product breakdowns.